So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your playback speed not laggy inside the free version of DaVinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. So inside of DaVinci Resolve here, you can see I have my base clip, and then I have a very strong color grade on it, which makes the playback very hard to watch because it gets so far behind. And this is what it looks like. Well, I have everything out, I set that up and get my thumbnail. Or maybe you can see the whole thing is just very slow and the words are very far behind. But where you can see this most is in how many frames per second is actually playing. I filmed this in 23.97, so it should be playing at full rate, but it is not. So you can see here in the top left corner what it's actually playing at. Well, I have everything out. You can see it is around 17 frames per second, which makes it look very laggy. But there's a really easy way to fix this. So what you have to do is come up here to your top bar and select playback. Then come down here to timeline playback resolution, and you can see mine is currently on full. And what this does is if you change it, it will change the quality of your preview window so that it doesn't actually change the quality of your video, but it simply makes the image that you see a lower quality, making it less processing power for DaVinci. So if I put this on half, let's see how many frames it plays at now. Well, I have everything out, I set that up and get my thumbnail. So you can see now it is playing at 23 frames per second, which is exactly where we want it, making it not laggy anymore. But if you have a very laggy clip, you can come back up here, timeline playback, and put it on quarter, which will bring the quality down a lot more, but it will give you a lot more processing power for your computer and for DaVinci to be able to play your video back smoothly. So if this video is helpful, or maybe you liked it, go ahead and click on this one next, and I'll see you in the next one.